You're listening to Body by Poly. I'm Dr. Alain Polynice, here to share what I've learned over 25 years in breast and body surgery. Real talk, honest recovery, and the truth behind lasting results. So what is the emotional or the mental side of healing following plastic surgery? Now that's a really big topic because on the one hand, patients come to me with concerns about their body, a body image. They have concerns about loose skin or breast droopiness. So there's a lot of things that are very emotional to begin with before surgery, but there's a lot of it after surgery as well. Because even though patients may have concerns about a body part, they've lived with this for many years. It's part of their overall body image. So when that changes, that can have a very significant emotional impact. So for example, I do a lot of explantation, removal of breast implants. And typically patients have had these implants in for many years, sometimes decades. So that can have a very big emotional impact when we take these implants out and there's a drastic change in the shape and volume of their breasts. Even though it's a positive change because the breasts may be smaller, but they're lifted, they're shaped, but it's a very drastic difference from what they used to be, and that's going to take a while to adjust. Similarly, when we do things like body contouring, it has a huge impact on how they see themselves. And patients sometimes will look in the mirror when they're looking at themselves for the first time post-op. And even though it's a positive, dramatic change, it's highly emotional because what they're seeing is a very different reflection of what they used to look like. So I get tears a lot of times, and they're happy tears, but they're very emotional tears. And it takes a while to adjust to this new image, new body that you have. And of course, when you see the results immediately, there's going to be a lot of bruising and swelling. So all of those things have a huge impact. So it's important to realize that is a very emotional time for patients, and to guide them through that is a key part of recovery. Thanks for tuning in to Body by Poly. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and follow along on YouTube, Apple Podcasts, or Spotify. See you next time.